Do your knees crack or pop when you move? This could be cartilage breakdown or joint misalignment. As cushioning wears down, friction increases, causing noise, inflammation, and arthritis. Treatment options. PRP reduces inflammation and promotes tissue repair. NSTRIDE blocks IL-1, a protein that drives arthritis. A 2021 study showed patients with early knee arthritis improved function, reduced pain, and slower joint damage after PRP or NSTRIDE. If your knees are noisy, take action early to protect your joints.